I wanted to speak about the sense of the time, which, in my opinion, one of the most important among other skills. I say skills, not talent or abilities, skills, because this sense can be developed. I try to do it from the beginning with my students and try to improve my own sense of the time all my life. Never late. I try to explain to my students that the sound, we all know, contains three phases: the beginning, the duration, and the end of the note. The beginning is obvious because we just start the note and can hear it and consider. But the second phase, which is duration of the note and especially the ending of the note, always hidden, especially in the beginning of our practicing. That's why I try to focus attention of my students on the second and the third phase. What is this? We musicians say that you need to listen to the sound, to listen to the build the phrase. What does it mean? The child not always can understand. I try to explain that you need to listen to the time in which this sound lasting. The time, the music exists in the time, developing in the time, and was born from the rhythm and the time actually. First was rhythm, then voice, drama, and the music all together in prehistorical period. Yes, but coming back, you start the note and the feeling with the some pulsation, a very short pulsating points. Yeah, da 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 di da 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 di da 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 da. Yeah, technically, I remove the finger after I pressed the next note. I really quickly remove the previous one. Then it will be dry legato. Yeah, if being more lazy, releasing the key, it will be legatissimo. When a little moment, both of notes sound together. That's legatissimo. But why dry staccato is very important? Because you will hear exact moment of connection, and the connection of the note is probably the most important moment when we play, because each note belongs to some harmony, and we need to connect harmonies if we would like to move the phrase forward. um, yeah, and this music, of course, I need to practice a lot, but just to demonstrate. What Schubert is doing in here, he's feeling with the first two notes, yeah, hidden polyphony where you hear. And the second time when theme will be in the major. Schubert even showing it. Yeah, in the texture, in the accompaniment, subdivision of this crotchet note into four semiquavers. So. Yeah, but it's written already by the composer. What to do if there is just only bass ostinato, like in Passacaglia, for example? No. You cannot stop. stopped. You need to go forward and forward. We all need to play Bach, because Bach develops willpower before mind. A lot of skills you can gain playing Bach. After that, you open this one.